What's going on and welcome back to Knife Life BDC. Got something new in the mail today from White Mountain Knives. It is the Arcform Theory. I think, yeah, what does it say on there? Yeah, Theory, just to make sure. So this is going to be like a quick first impressions for it real quick. Let's get it out of the box. I always like their boxes for some reason. I don't know why. Let's look at this. This is just little tidbit info. Oh, yep, it's just something little nice, I guess, saying. And a warning saying, sharp object, obey your state laws, obviously. And a warning, cancer and reproductive harm. Huh, that's different. Um, anything else? Oh, what else is there in here? There is a sticker it comes with. Okay, I can't get it out of the box, but it says art form. So there you go. You get a sticker if you buy it. Oh crap, let's get that crap back in. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Some kind of like papery stuff. Usually it comes in a bag, I guess, but I think they do. I don't know actually. This is my second Arcform, but I don't remember it coming with that. So that's kind of, I guess it's like a way to keep it clean or something. I don't know. Keep it scratched. I don't know. But this is the Arcform Theory. It is in titanium, obviously, and it's a bigger knife. I think it's a I can't remember how big the blade was. I think it was almost three and a half between there. Um, I kind of wanted to check it out because I have an Arcform, but it's the Slim Foot, and I wanted to check something else out. They're coming out with some new knives. I know this was one of them, and I think the Saber. I think it was called the Saber was another one. I think it came in Ultim, which I've been wanting to check out the Ultim like handles and stuff, that type of thing, but just haven't checked one out yet. Obviously working on it. That might be the next one I try to check out is the Saber. I kind of wanted to check this one out because it's been a big thing on YouTube obviously lately. Like I've been seeing a lot of videos on it, and I just wanted to kind of get into it and check it out. It is a bigger knife, like I said. I think the blade's like three and a half. I guess what I also was interested in was like the thumb studs. It's not like your normal thumb studs, obviously. Like right here, you see like a little brass, little dimples. I don't know what you want to call them. Like a little dimply looking thing right there. You know what I mean? All right, but yeah, it's got like a little texturing on it too. If you look, so it's very different. They are screwed on there, so I guess you could take them off and change them out. Maybe I don't know. No, those aren't screws actually. Oh nope, there is a screw. Okay, so it's screwed on one side, so obviously it probably goes through the knife and into the other one to hold it there. I'm guessing you could take them out, maybe change them out. I don't know if they. I'm kind of curious about that. If they sell like aftermarket ones, I'm not sure. It'd be kind of cool if they did though. It is obviously just a thumb stud flipper opening system. I wish they would have kind of did something else. Like it almost looks like it wants to be like a front flip almost. Like I'm sure if it came out just a little bit more, you could probably flip it open pretty easy. Maybe some people can. I don't know. I don't know if that's what it's designed for. I don't think it is because the way it's. Yeah, I don't think that's what it is. Obviously, because that's tearing up my skin. Um, I do like the black accents and everything like that. I do like they have like an all black one. I don't know if they have any different ones, but I actually like this one better because the titanium look and the black accents with it. I think it kind of gives it that nice little touch to it. You also have M390 steel, which I am a fan of, obviously, and you have that nice pocket clip right there. Um, Pretty good, I would have to say. I don't, and honestly, I don't know if it's reversible or not, or ambidextrous, excuse me. I think it would be almost because it's the screw on one of that screw holds it all in together, like in the back spacer and the pocket clip. I'm not quite sure. So if that would be, I would think it would be ambidextrous, but like I said, I'm not sure. It does have a kind of a nice little back spacer. Like it's inset a little bit, so you're not gonna. It's not like flush or anything like that. So I don't know how that's gonna play out either. I wonder if it would get dirty easy, like with lint and stuff like that, or just a little crummy crap in your pocket. I hate that crap. I always get crap on my knives and in places I don't want it to go, just because the crap in my pocket and usually between like the blade, obviously the titanium handles. Usually between the handles. But I don't know about that. It is inset, like I said. Oh, I guess not right there though. That's smooth. Um, but I like it still. Still nice looking. What I did like just then is that they have jimping on the handle and into the knife. I really like that. That's actually a really nice touch. And it actually, if you look at it, it all kind of flows. Like if you look right there, obviously, and I think that's that little fine detail that I actually really like, and obviously they paid attention to, which is kind of cool. I will say it is a obviously a frame lock. Excuse me, I kept wanting to say liner lock. It's a frame lock, and that lock bar is, or that frame lock is kind of tight. It's probably the tightest one I've ever handled right now. Like it's pretty strong. Um, Detent's not bad. I like the detent, pretty good. Um, but yeah, that frame lock is tight. I wonder if it maybe just needs broken in a little bit. That's always a possibility, but not bad other than that. I really don't have any problems opening it or closing it. Yeah, overall, just a really smooth, great knife. I really like it. Anything else about it? Like it's really kind of a simple. It almost looks like a simplistic design in a way. Um, I didn't know if I'd like the handle or not, but honestly, like it feels good in my hand. I just thought it was kind of a weird shape, which would be a knife that you'd have to get used to, I think. Well, maybe just for me, maybe not for others. But the handle looks a little weird because I'm just not used to that type of handle, like looking like that. I would say the same about the Django because I'm not used to that type of handle, like being curved like that much. Um, but honestly, after handling it a little bit, I love that. Obviously, I love that knife. It's Kunwu, but I think it's a handle it would grow on you if you have a problem with it. It does feel good in the hand, and it's definitely, like I said, it's a bigger handle also since you have the bigger blade. And if you have a bigger hand, you're definitely going to not have any problems. Um, I just really like that jimping. That's really nice. That is another fine touch I really like. Um, Other than that, though, it's a great knife. It seems like I'm kind of ready to kind of carry it a little bit, see how it kind of handles. And it looks like a really nice knife. It is pricey though. It's like a $300 knife, so make sure it's the knife you want before you get it, because I think it's like they have like between 300 and 340 somewhere around there. They have a couple different models, so make sure you want it before you get it, because that's pricey, like I said. But yeah, if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, please. It helps the algorithm. And if you have any comments or anything else, just leave it in the comment section. Always happy to hear from you guys, or questions or comments or whatever. Just have a great rest of your day, though. Thanks.